let's just go straight up to the video, okay guys? Advice that I would tell my younger self. So if you are in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s, I don't care what age you are, you might need these advices, okay? Rule number one, to have a successful life, you need to save. Yeah, regardless of what, I know it sounds crazy, but you need to save money. Because if you don't save money in case of emergency, how are you gonna deal with issues? You get me? How to save money? Now that's the question that you might be asking yourself. Every week or every month you can always open like a bank account and put extra money in there and like not really touch it. Or shout out to my boyfriend, he always tells me to do a budget. I love you, baby. Yeah, but I always budget because you need to know what money is coming in, what money is coming out. Because if you're just going out and you don't have a budget of how much you're gonna spend tonight, yeah, you're gonna end up spending your whole bank account. So budgeting and also putting your savings in another account that you're gonna spend, okay? Rule number two, it's really important for you to make sure that you always want to elevate in life. Always elevate in jobs, always elevate in relationships and friendships, because your goal should always be to grow. Example, like let's say you started working in, like, no offense if you work in McDonald's, let's say if you started working in McDonald's, right? After a few months or a few years, your goal should be to at least work at like Gucci store, Versace store, or maybe to still be a McDonald's but maybe be the manager at McDonald's. So in your mindset, you should always want to grow. You never want to stay in the same position in your job, okay? Or even in relationships too. Like, you cannot be a girlfriend forever. I'm so sorry. You cannot be in the talking stage forever. Like, you have to upgrade to a fiance, to a wife, to a mom, to a grandma. Like, you have to grow. You have to continue growing, okay? Step 3. I think I'm on step 3. Yeah, step 3. Always make sure that you are put together. Like, I cannot stress this enough. For you to be a successful person, you have to sometimes look good. Like, you could be poor, but make sure that you just shower, you lotion yourself, you fix your hair, you know, like, even if you don't wear makeup, make sure you moisturize your face. You know, this it really is the small details, like moisturizing, hair done, you know, smelling good. Because I feel like sometimes your parents will bring you in rooms that your education wouldn't even bring you there, in my opinion. So appearance is really important. Make sure that you smell good all the time. Use deodorant, moisturize yourself, brush your teeth often. This is really important. Another thing that I wanted to mention, in order for you to be a successful person, you actually need to learn how to not be sad or depressed for too long. I know this sounds crazy coming from Mrs. Crybaby over here, because I'm always like literally crying about everything that happens in my life. But when I cry, after I finish crying, I take a nap. Because I feel like now when I wake up, I'm a whole different person. I'm not as emotional as before. So yes, you could be sad, you could be upset at things, but do not be upset the whole entire day. Do not be upset for hours, because life is too short. Life is way too short for you to like hold on into a grudge or into a sadness. Like, it is not going to work out for you. So make sure that you are also praying. Praying is really important. I wish I mentioned this as number 1, but one of the advice that I can tell you for someone who is in their 20s, about to be in their 30s, pray. Yeah. Well, if you are confused, pray. If you are happy, pray. Because you don't know how much blessing you bring into your life when you start praying. Like, even if you think that like you have everything perfect, you have everything figured out, girl, pray. Because you don't know what is against you. You really don't know. If you pray, you know, you might actually block those bad energy, those bad vibes. I forgot what number I was on, but anyways, another advice that I really wanted to give to someone who is like, who wants to be successful, or someone who is in their 20s and 30s, believe it or not, I know that people might actually cancel me for this, but get your education if you can. Yeah, believe it or not, I think it's really important to go back to school if it's possible for you, in my opinion, because we're not gonna be young forever. Like, you're not gonna be this pretty girl forever, you know. Yes, you're gonna be pretty forever, but you're gonna age. So it's really important for you to have something that you can fall back on later on when your beauty and your body shape is no longer, you know, a standard for the world or whatever. But it's really important for you to go back to school. Yeah, don't forget that. Another thing that I really wanted to mention, in order to be successful, I also wished I put this at first, but I didn't. Please guys, do not forget to keep things in private. As someone who's always like crashing out on social media on people, no, keep things in private. The reason why I'm saying this is because not everybody really needs to know what's going on with you. Like, it's different if you want to speak about an abusive issue that you had with someone and you want to speak about it, you want to vent. Yes, you can. But when I say keep things in private, I mean like your personal goals. Like, keep your personal goals in private, because once again, you don't know who's really there against your well-being. So if you're about to get accepted into a college, keep it in private until you receive the letter. If you're waiting for a job, you know, if you're waiting for a job position, keep it private until you have your position at the job, okay? Like, you could tell some people, but I'm telling you this right now, keeping things in private is just gonna help you much way better. Oh my gosh, my English is everywhere. But yeah, so, and I also feel like if you want to be a successful person, make sure that you have your home, your room organized. That's very important, because I feel like sometimes if your home is not organized, like your room, your living room, you're gonna feel stressed. You're gonna feel stressed out. And I really feel like as if it's really important for you to be around a space that is clear, so your mind can also be clear. Yeah, pretty much those are the few things that I will definitely recommend for someone who want to be successful in the 20s. You know, someone who just want to have a better life. These are the advice that I would give my younger self. So thank you so much for staying until the end of the video if you stayed, and bye guys, love you guys. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram too, guys. My IG is Paris Fenty 8. Bye guys.